Hey guys, so I'm at a house here in the Raleigh area. That's zip code 38128. One of my best zip codes for rental properties. This house was made handicap accessible by the past owner, and that doesn't get you any more rent, but think about the doors that might open. There's a lot of veterans and a lot of elderly people, a lot of people that just need handicap accessible. So this house doesn't necessarily need to be rented to someone who's handicapped, but it sure does open the door to a lot more possibilities, right? So let's step outside real quick. I'll show you the guys are completing this renovation. Tomorrow the new roof goes on. Right now we've got the exterior painted. You can see that old roof that needs to be ripped off and a new roof installed. Check out the amount of trash that's come out of this house. So a lot of work. This is a $38,000 renovation. So yes, everything's getting redone. As I step inside, you'll see we have some natural hardwood floors through part of the house. And then we have some ugly green tile. All that tile is getting replaced, of course. We're gonna put some luxury vinyl plank down. Most of you guys are familiar with that. If you're not familiar with luxury vinyl plank, it's one of the best things that we've started putting in our houses some time ago. It is very durable. It looks like hardwood and the tenants love it. So durable, tenants love it, marks all my boxes. This is wood paneling, so we've keeled over this. This is an oil-based primer. Then once we hit it again with the keels, we'll come back and paint it the same gray color as the rest of the house. Check out this stone fireplace. It's a real wood burning fireplace with a stone accent wall. It carries over into this little bar area. Super cute, a lot of potential on this house. The previous owner added this sunroom, so it's definitely not heated and cooled square footage. It didn't add any more value to the house. I'd go as far as to say it's not gonna get you more rent, but wouldn't this little room on the back of the house make the house even that much more rentable? So it was done properly. That's one of the things I look at when we have an add-on to a house. It was done by a licensed general contractor, so we know that it was done right. The roof line's perfect, and this house, of course, getting the new roof. Into the kitchen, solid wood cabinets. We've removed the countertops so we can replace the new, along with a new sink, new plumbing under the sink. All the things that have gone wrong in the past, for me and my investors on rental properties, we're taking care of up front. That's right, I want to take care of the big ticket items up front. That's the definition of turnkey. So this property is definitely turnkey. I bought it about a week ago. We've already come this far. This is a 3-week tops renovation. I'm really pushing for 2 weeks. It's got a real laundry room area. So we've patched up that wall, replaced the plumbing that was in the wall for the washer dryer. That's the entrance from the carport. So the fact that mom can park under the carport when it's raining and get the kids out, maybe pull the groceries in, down. Dad never gets the carport when it's a one-car carport, but that's okay. That's what we do for our families. But it's got that covered parking. You'll remember that my ideal investment property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with some type of covered parking. A 2-car garage is great, but a 1-car carport, that makes it very desirable. Not to say I don't own and I don't buy and sell houses that don't meet that parameter, but if I were to pick my parameter, that's probably what it would include, right? So this little area, I would say is better than 50% homeowner, 50% renter, which gives it a B+. I've met the neighbors across the street on either side and diagonally, all homeowners for 30 years plus. Hey, they want to know, what is this bald guy doing in my neighborhood? And is he going to improve or bring our little cove down? A cove for everybody else is a cul-de-sac. Some reason in the South we call it a cove. But that's very desirable for a lot of young families as well. Everybody. It's a cul-de-sac where people can't just drive through. There's not a lot of cars zipping in and out. When I pulled up in my truck, the homeowner across the street said, I don't know that guy. He walked out, he met me in the front yard, and we've become friends now. He's watching out for the property while it's under renovation. Great bathroom. Still a little ways to go on the renovation there, but super clean and functional. That's what we're looking for in these rentals. Hardwood throughout this hallway I'm in. This bedroom behind me, so that's bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. Don't you like these gray walls with white trim? With all the doors and all the trim with that dark wood color. Now we're bringing it to 2019 standards, giving it a little bit of flash, a little pizzazz. A lot of people get the mindset, well, it's just a rental, who cares? No, most of my tenants are looking for a nice, modernized home. I catch many of them watching HGTV when I visit the rental properties. So always keep that in mind. So now here we're in the owner's suite. So the owner has their own bathroom, and yes, the shower is handicap accessible, as well as the toilet. So a nice little bitty bathroom for the master, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, plus a sunroom. And of course, this one sold as soon as it hit the website. But don't be discouraged, many more houses coming your way. We bought 5 this week, so stay tuned, jameswalkup.com. Thanks.